Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. I'm the special captain of the DSC Independent. I'm the special captain of the DSC Independent. Flight commander, flight engineer, flight pilot, co-pilot of British Airways, Captain Thomas Jessica, British Airways, Airbus 380 pilot. Jessica, flight commander, flight engineer, pilot, co-pilot of British Airways, Airbus 380 pilot. Good morning. This is Captain Thomas Jessica, Starship Enterprise.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I am the captain of the Space Shuttle DHS Independent. Thomas Jessica, flight commander, flight engineer, pilot, co-pilot, British Airways, Airbus 380 pilot.
That is interesting. How can I assist the crew and you today?
Good morning. This is Captain Thomas Jessica of Starship Enterprise. History of exploration, history of astronomy, discovery, exploration of the solar system, timeline, space exploration, timeline, first orbital launch, country, outer space, discovery.
History of astronomy and exploration milestones. Ancient astronomy. Observations of the 5 naked eye planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, date back to Babylonian times. The heliocentric model was proposed by Aristarchus of Samos and later established by Copernicus. Telescopic discoveries. Galileo used a telescope to discover Jupiter's 4 largest moons in 1610, supporting the heliocentric view. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781, and Neptune was found in 1846 through mathematical prediction. Space exploration timeline and first orbital launch. The Soviet Union, USSR, achieved the first orbital launch on October 4, 1957, with the Sputnik 1 satellite, beginning the space age. The USSR also launched the first human in orbit, Yuri Gagarin, 1961. The US launched the first US satellite, Explorer 1, 1958, and the first human to walk on the moon, Apollo 11, 1969. The name Captain Price is primarily associated with the Call of Duty video game series, not historical space exploration.
Good morning. This is Captain Tom Nelson, Jessica, Starship Enterprise, Enterprise, history, exploration, first telescope.
Good morning, Captain Nelson. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States, designed by Frederick Auguste Bartholdi, with a framework by Gustave Eiffel, and dedicated in 1886. The first telescope was invented by Dutch spectacle makers like Hans Lippershey in 1608. Galileo Galilei then improved upon it and was the first to use it for astronomical observations in 1609.
This is Captain Tom Nelson, Jessica, Starship Enterprise, history of exploration, first outer space flight.
The first orbital launch was the Soviet Union's uncrewed satellite Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957. The first outer space flight with a human was Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin aboard Vostok 1 on April 12, 1961, making a single orbit of Earth.
Flight Commander Tom Nelson, Jessica, Starship Enterprise, Enterprise, history of exploration, first object in orbit.
The first object in orbit was Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. I can't play a specific song come on the timer for Jessica. Would you like me to search for the song or set a timer for you?
This is Captain Thomas and Jessica, the Touch Enterprise, this Enterprise, history of exploration, first human outer space flight.
The first human in outer space was Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, who completed one orbit of Earth aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft on April 12, 1961.
Flight Commander Thomas and Jessica, the Touch Enterprise, this Enterprise, history of space exploration, first astronomical body.
The result of the simple multiplication 500 multiplied by what?
First astronomical body space exploration.
The Moon was the logical first target for space exploration. The Soviet Union's Luna 2 was the first artificial object to reach another celestial body when it impacted the Moon on September 14, 1959.
What is the furthest from Earth space exploration?
The farthest human-made object from Earth is Voyager 1, which has traveled into interstellar space beyond the Sun's influence.
What is the first interstellar space flight?
The Voyager 1 probe, launched in 1977, was the first human-made object to reach interstellar space, the region beyond the Sun's magnetic influence, in August 2012.
The target of space exploration, the Sun.
While we cannot land on the Sun, it is a major target of space exploration for heliophysics. The Parker Solar Probe is currently the closest spacecraft to the Sun, studying its atmosphere and the solar wind, while the Solar Orbiter and the Solar Orbiter and the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, also continuously monitor our star.
Target of space exploration, Mercury.
Space exploration has targeted Mercury with 3 missions so far: Mariner 10 flybys, Messenger, first to orbit, and the current joint European/Japanese mission, Bepi Colombo, which will orbit in 2026.